Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about dogelonmars price prediction and dogelonmars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for dogelonmars in 2022. Dogelonmars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelonmars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelonmars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers, and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. Today we will tell you news about Dogelonmars cryptocurrency. Elon Musk, Elon's brother, says he violently opposes cryptocurrency. Mining Bitcoin has been shown to consume an enormous amount of energy. A single BTC transaction is projected to eat up 2,292.5 kilowatt-hours of electricity, which is sufficient to run a normal US home for nearly 80 days. This is the reason why his brother Elon stopped accepting Bitcoin payments for Tesla vehicles last year, despite the fact that the electric car manufacturer still has roughly $2 billion in Bitcoin on its balance sheet. With over 200,000 transactions each day and counting, worry about crypto's environmental impact has grown. Tesla announced in a filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission on February 8 last year that it had invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Elon's younger brother stated last week that Tesla was initially completely ignorant of Bitcoin's environmental implications when it introduced the cryptocurrency to its balance sheet. Kimmel is the owner of the environmentally friendly restaurant business The Kitchen, and is reported to have a net worth of $700 million. He is on the boards of directors of Tesla and SpaceX, and holds a sizable stake in the space exploration company. Kimmel announced the development of a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, in December last year with the goal of enabling decentralized charity. He discussed a variety of issues with Input magazine, including his thoughts on wealth, and his food equality cryptocurrency initiative, Big Green DAO. BGDAO is built on the Ethereum blockchain, and provides each member with a single vote on the decentralized autonomous organization's decisions. On carbon footprints and being cautious, Kimmel did express optimism for Ethereum 2.0, which is expected to consume significantly less energy than Ether, and is also expected to be more secure. Meanwhile, environmentalists claim that cryptocurrency's rise is creating a massive carbon footprint, thereby contributing to the world's climate problem. Kimmel also shared the tips that his brother has given him when it comes to cryptocurrencies. To be honest, I have no idea what his position is on crypto, he told Input. The most important piece of advice I received from my brother is be cautious, he said. This Dogecoin spin-off once rallied by 4,276%, but still continues to surprise. When a coin happens to be valued at $0.0000008264, no one really cares about it. But because this meme token's name is associated with two of the most prominent crypto personalities, people do notice it. Named after Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the coin managed to rally by 4,276% within a month back in October 2021. However, since then, it has come down by 64.15%. But Coin, BTC, Ether, ETH, and Dogecoin, Doge, stash, as he firmly believes that crypto is one of the best investment vehicles to hedge against hyperinflation. Elon Musk not selling his cryptos. The annual inflation rate in the United States surged to 7.9% in February 2022, the highest increase the country has witnessed since January 1982, and financial experts have predicted that the inflation rate may remain elevated throughout this year due to the war in Ukraine, and other factors like supply constraints, strong demand, and labor shortages. In a tweet on March 14, highly controversial Twitter CEO, Elon Musk, asked his more than 77 million followers on the microblogging site what their thoughts were concerning the probable inflation rate in the United States over the next few years. In response to Musk's tweet, MicroStrategy CEO, Michael Saylor, reiterated that he sees a future where consumer and asset inflation will continue to reach new all-time highs, triggering serious capital flights from inflation-prone instruments like cash, value stocks, and others, to scarce property like Bitcoin. Dogecoin sees 10% bounce, further consolidating Saylor's prediction. Musk advised his followers to latch onto physical investments like real estate or the stocks of stable companies instead of keeping the US dollar, adding that he himself is still holding on to his Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin and doesn't plan to liquidate his portfolio anytime soon. As a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge, declared Musk. As expected, Musk's tweet triggered a sudden pump in the price of Dogecoin, Doge, pushing the meme coin from around $0.111 at 410 UTC to as high as $0.122 by 417 UTC. However, the digital asset has since lost steam, trading around $0.1156 at the time of writing this report, with Bitcoin and Ether hovering around the $39,234 and $2,604 price regions respectively. It's worth noting that Musk has a strong affinity for Dogecoin, and the 50-year-old multi-billionaire never misses a chance to hype his favorite altcoin. Last May, crypto news reported that SpaceX, Elon Musk's rocket manufacturing firm, had accepted Dogecoin, Doge, as payment from Canada's Geometric Energy Corporation, GEC, to launch the Doge 1 satellite to the moon before the end of Q1 2022. SpaceX launching satellite Doge 1 to the moon next year. Mission paid for in Doge. First crypto in space. First meme in space. To the moon, tweeted Musk at the time. And second news, Elon Musk says he's not selling Bitcoin amid high inflation. Elon Musk tweeted, "I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin," in response to CEO Mitchell Saylor, discussing the collapse of weaker currency. Elon Musk, technicking of Tesla, says, "I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin" as a signal for the holding of assets in times of high inflation. Mitchell Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, states that weaker currencies will collapse, in reference to high levels of inflation. Musk also said it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. In a recent tweet, Elon Musk, technicking of Tesla, attempted to both question the likelihood of continued inflation over the next couple of years and soothe concerns of his followers looking for advice as it relates to dealing with inflation by stating, "I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin." What are your thoughts about probable inflation rate over next few years? Musk asked his followers. With an inflation rate of 7. Dogelonmars is currently worth $0.00000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelonmars, Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelonmars cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelonmars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelonmars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.00000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelonmars market price could increase to $0.00000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelonmars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.00000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.00000132, with an expected price of $0.00000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As signs and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelonmars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000221. Elon is expected